Hello and welcome back to the Geek Tech Show. In today's video we are going to be checking out the Canon PowerShot G7X Mark III. And over here we are going to be specifically doing two different things about. First, seeing if the video itself finally improved. I'm also recording this with an onboard mic right on this, so we can tell if the sound quality is so much better with the mic itself. So this is two things you're going to be checking out here: the video quality, the sound quality, if they finally fix it with the firmware update. And the rest of this video we are going to be learning two new things about this camera. One, how to do the firmware update in case you have this camera or you're thinking of getting one, because it's a little bit confusing. And two, how to do slow motion HD videos with your Canon. How awesome is that? Two things at once. And it's very hard for you to figure out those things on your own. It took me a few days, by the way. Well, no, it took me less than 30 minutes, but all kidding aside, well, hopefully this camera is exactly what we are asking for and wanting from Canon, because I have been waiting such a long time for them to finally fix the firmware after this failed launch of the most amazing camera that they have ever created. It is just a shame so many people return the camera back, and I have tested, me myself included, returned the camera back, tested so many different cameras, and it's really hard to find something that is at this price range yet gives you everything that this camera actually got to offer. So twice as less as the Sony, better quality, easier to use, and best of all, it is a Canon. Let's get started now with how to do two different awesome things with this camera. Well, first things not awesome, but required, the Canon update. So let me show you how to go ahead and do an update for the Canon G7X Mark III. In case you don't know how to update it, it is a little bit complicated. So the first thing you want to do is to go into the Canon.com website and pick the region you're in. I'm in United States, so I pick that one. Next thing you want to do is to type in the search all the way at the top area, Canon G7X III update, and press on search. Over here you're going to be seeing all different kinds of things, but what you have to do is to go where it says Power G7X Mark III, press on drivers and downloads, and after you go over here you're going to go all the way where it says firmware, press on this once, and then press on over here which version you're using. Mine is Mac OS, so press on this one, press select, and press download. After you download, there's going to be a file that you open up. When you open it up, it's going to look like this exactly. So this is the tricky part right here. So opening this up, it's going to tell you instructions, and the instructions are totally wrong. You have to actually ignore the entire instructions. I do suggest for you to use a brand new memory card and format it just in case, so this actually works correctly. Next step you have to do is to take the actual file, this specific file, and drag it to an SD card right to it. And now the next step would be to take this file and update it on your camera. So let's go ahead and do this crucial step. So here is our G7X, and the next step for you is just to format your card. So you just insert the card over here, and then once it is inside, next thing you have to do is to press on menu. After you press on menu, you're going to be pressing on this wrench sign right here, and then you're going to go where it says number 1. In number 1 menu, you're going to go where it says format card, press on reliable format, and press on OK. So this is going to go ahead and format the card. After you're done with this, you're going to insert the card right back in after you go ahead and put the firmware right inside. And after you do this, you're going to go where it says number 5, all the way at the bottom, and it says firmware, and press on it. Let's go ahead and press that. Now the current version is 1.1. Press on OK. And now it's going to automatically start the update process. So this will take a little bit of time because what it does, it loads up it from the memory. And as I wait, and you have to wait a little bit for it, it's going to tell you what you have to do next, the next step. So pretty much this is all you have to do to get this done. Unfortunately, Canon didn't do those instructions as simple as it should have, and it took me quite a bit of time to figure this one out, which was a really simple process. So then what you have is, it says right here what you have to do. Press on this, press on the Q right here, update firmware, press on OK. Just move it here. You have to move this. Press on OK right there. And warning, do not turn off the power switch or touch any buttons when you're going to be doing this. So make sure your battery is also supercharged all the way to its max before you're going to head and do this, because this is going to take you quite some time. As you can see, it only did 2% in a few seconds. So I suggest that maybe 5 or 6 minutes it's going to take for this thing to get there, maybe 2 minutes. But regardless, it's going to get there, but make sure your battery is fully juiced up for this operation. Did you know that this Canon has the possibility to record slow motion video as well? To do this, what you have to do is first move this to video, turn this on obviously, and then you have to do a few things right inside to set this correctly. First thing you have to do is to go to the menu setting. Over here, the first thing in the menu, and this is in the camera mode, you're going to go to number 1. Next, you're going to go to where it says movie record quality. Then you're going to go right here where it says high frame rate. Press on this, press on enable, turn this on, and it's automatically is going to go into high definition mode, and you can't set anything else here. So after you do this, I'm going to go into the menu. You'll see HM right on top here. This means this is a high frame rate, and it's going to enable you to shoot high definition, high quality slow motion videos on your Canon G7X Mark III. Thank you so much for watching this video, and hopefully you did enjoy it. And if you did, smash right now the thumbs up button, and after that go ahead and subscribe to the Geek Tech Show, because I want to see you in the next episode. Help me get to 5,000 subs. Thank you, and see you in the next video.